Dear students, a very small topic which I gonna discuss to all of you is the physical properties of acetic acid. Whenever we talk about the physical properties of any compound, we discuss mainly 3 to 4 properties. First of all, for example, we discuss its shape, its color, its taste, its melting point, its boiling point, and its miscibility. So for acetic acid, we will also check these 3 to 4 physical properties. First of all, if we talk about the color of acetic acid, that what is the color of acetic acid, then we say that acetic acid is a colorless compound. Colorless. So secondly, the second thing is its taste. The taste of acetic acid, since this is acid, then it is sour in taste. The third physical property of the acetic acid is its odor. Odor means its smell. So we say that its odor is just like vinegar like odor. Vinegar like odor. It has a vinegar like odor. Then comes its melting point and boiling point. First of all, its boiling point. The boiling point of acetic acid is, remember that 118 degrees centigrade is the boiling point of acetic acid. And the second thing is its melting point. Melting point of acetic acid is 118, sorry, 17 degrees centigrade. And this acetic acid, because of its this melting point 17 degrees centigrade, acetic acid is called a glacial acetic acid. I write it as a glacial. There is a very important question related to glacial acetic acid. Glacial, why acetic acid is called a glacial acetic acid? There is a very simple logic behind this question. Acetic acid freezes at 17 degrees centigrade temperature. This is the melting point as well as the freezing point of the acetic acid. We know that the melting and freezing points are the same things. So the melting point of the acetic acid is the 17 degrees centigrade. It means that at below 17 or at below 17, acetic acid freezes. It converts just like into ice form. And at below 17 degrees centigrade, this acetic acid does not occur in solution form. It always occurs in solidified form, in which concentration of water is very less. Therefore, we say that at 17 degrees centigrade or below 17 degrees centigrade, this acetic acid is called glacial acetic acid. And then the last physical property of the acetic acid is its solubility. It's a very simple, since acetic acid is, and we know that it's an organic compound, and organic compounds are soluble in organic solvents. It's no doubt they are soluble in organic solvents, but since acetic acid, its formula is CH3COOH, because it has hydroxyl group and it can form hydrogen bond. So we say that acetic acid is soluble in water, which is a polar compound, inorganic polar compound. It is soluble in water, as well as it will also soluble in organic solvents, for example in alcohol, and for example ether. So acetic acid is also soluble in water as well as in ether and alcohol, just because of the formation of hydrogen bonding. So these were the physical properties of the acetic acid. I hope that you have cleared the idea of physical properties of acetic acid. Thank you so much.